Hello everyone, today I'll guide you through the official process of creating a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. We won't be using a third-party tool for this, so let's get started. You'll need two things, a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage and a computer. First, let's go to this Microsoft website. You'll find the link in the video's descriptions. Once you're there, look for the sections that says Create Windows 11 Installation Media and click on the Download Now button. After the download is complete, let's navigate to the download folder and double-click on the exe file. If prompted for permission, just click yes. You'll see a window that says Getting a few things ready. Wait a moment and then you'll need to accept the Microsoft license terms. Just click on the Accept button. Here, you'll select Language and Edition of your Windows 11. Now, by default, it will recommend settings based on the current PC. If you want to change these settings, simply uncheck the box that says Use the recommended options for this PC. And now, you should be able to change those settings if you like. Select your preferred language, and for the Windows 11 edition, you'll only see one option. But don't worry, the basic Windows 11 ISO include all the editions, which you can choose during installation based on the license key you have. And once you've made those selections, click on Next. Now plug in your USB drive and just make sure you have backed up any important data on it before proceeding. Select the USB flash drive option and hit Next. Now this is important. Just make sure you choose the correct USB drive from this list and double check that it is the right one to avoid any accidental data loss. Click Next and the tool will begin downloading the Windows 11 ISO file. Now just keep in mind that the file size is usually over 4 GB, so it may take a few minutes to complete depending on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, now the tool will start transferring the files to the USB drive. This may take a little while, so just be patient. And there you go, you have successfully created a Windows 11 bootable USB drive. Finally, click on Finish and safely eject the drive. And now you can use this drive to install Windows 11 on any compatible PC. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.